Today we learn subtraction जो कि minus subtract these two values. First be clear this all text clear by selecting, and after first write fruits, vegetables. Fruit quantity is 15, vegetables quantity 25. All stock. So here we can add these two totals by using this formula. Click on this below cells is equals to sum plus this comma deleted bracket complete. Okay, all stock is 40. Okay, in all stock, all like example, all fresh stock, all fresh stock. In this all fresh stock, we need to find out damaged stock, okay, reject stock, reject stock of material, rejected stock of material. Here we can slide this and add this. Okay, in this rejected stock is fruit is totally damaged. Example, fruits totally wasted, totally wasted. Okay, fruits is totally wasted. So here we can calculate from all stock fruits will be totally wasted. So rejected stock of material is 15, यानी कि fruits 15 fruits will be wasted. Remaining fresh stock of material, okay. So in this remaining fresh stock of material, here we can calculate sum total stock minus wasted stock, bracket complete, comma deleted, and hence total is 25. So 25 is a remaining stock. Here we can, by using this color, we can clearly indicate. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel for more update. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.